Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.